Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project DTC Southern Heights at Joka, near Joka upcoming metro station, just 250 meters from Joka metro station, and it's our landmark project. This is a township project of G plus 14 buildings. Total 38 number of towers are there in our project. Now you can see this is our model flat of 3 BHK, 1260 square feet sellable area. So come this side. So this is the living cum dining area. So you can see on the entry you can have this size of French style window. So this is the living room. The size of the living room is 14.5 into 10.2. You can see the beautiful living space. And now come this side. This is the dining area. So you can see the beautiful dining area. The size of this dining area is 14.2 into 9.1 feet long. So, and just behind the dining area, so this is the kitchen. So you can see the beautiful marvelous kitchen with both the side countertops, with black granite countertops both the side, and separate space for refrigerator. So now come this side. So this is the dry balcony area. So you can see the dry balcony area. And again come this side. So this is again the dining area. And just on my left side, this is the first bedroom. We decorate this as a kids bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 10.4 into 10.2. Just see the beautiful bedroom with a big size wardrobe space and French style window. See the space of this bedroom, beautiful utilization of space. And again come this side. So on your front you can see this is the attached balcony space along with this living cum dining area. And just on my right side you can see this is the second bedroom or master bedroom, and the size of the bedroom is 11.6 into 11. Beautiful utilization. You can see both the side we are having windows, and with this room you can have your attached toilet. The attached toilet size is 7.7 into 5.6. You can see the separate bath space, commode and the basin area. Now we are again entering into the living cum dining space, and we are entering into the third bedroom. So you can see this is the common toilet space. The common toilet space is 7.1 into 4.7. You can see this beautiful common toilet, and just beside that this is the third bedroom. Again this bedroom size is 12.6 into 10.9. Beautiful third bedroom with king size bed and with a big size French window on both the sides for cross ventilation. So excellently designed for maximum utilization of space. So this is a beautiful flat of 60 square feet sellable area, and you can see the carpet area, how beautifully it is decorated, no wastage at all. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having very limited units left of this size. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.